Hey guys, welcome back to The Blissful Athlete. Thank you for tuning in. Today we're going to learn all about how to do a really cool asana called Kapali Asana. It's an inversion where you're going to be having your head down and your feet up as straight as you can get them. But first, if you're new to the channel and you want to learn more about how to live an authentic yoga lifestyle, then click the subscribe button, because that's what this whole channel is going to be about. Today, as I said, we're going to be working on inversion. So I want you to actually stop what you're doing. If you actually want to learn this is an exact moment you should be doing it. Okay, it's not tomorrow, it's right now in this moment. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to come down onto our mat. I'm on the tips of my toes. I'm going to place my hands flat onto the ground and spread my fingertips out nice and wide. From here, I'm going to lean forward and I'm going to bring my forehead down onto the ground and then try and work the crown of the head down onto the ground as well. If this is the first time you've ever done that, just stick with that. Don't worry about going any further than this right now. Okay, so we're here, leaning your head down onto the ground. Then come back up. Notice the rush of blood to the head. Just sit with that for a second. So again, we're gonna have our fingertips spread out on the ground. We're gonna lean forward, bring the forehead down onto the ground, and then roll the crown of the head onto the ground. Okay? Knees are gonna be right behind the backs of the arms. So you're playing with this balance. You can bring both feet down, both feet up. Okay? Again, I want you to notice where I placed my head. It was right about here, so I have this triangle shape between my hands and my head. Okay, so leaning forward, one foot, and then from here, just like I brought my feet up and down, I'm gonna bring one knee up, okay? But I want to bring one knee up and then bring the other one up. Keep the knees twisting up, so I'm stacking my hips on top of my shoulders first. Okay, so notice how my hips go from here to on top of my shoulders. Then from there, extending my feet up, working to stack everything on top of one another. And when you want to come down, slowly stay with it, control it the whole way down, just like how you had to coming up. Be nice and slow, bending the knees behind the arms, feet down, and then slowly come up. And I like to just stay here for a moment. Let the blood rush back down throughout the body. Come down onto your knees in Vajrasana if you'd like. And then just let the blood come back down, the energy come back down, and just sit, and you really can enjoy that sensation. It can lead you into a very powerful meditation. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more of this, and let me know in the comment section down below if this is something you enjoyed. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, Nithyananda. Be blissful.